Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2022 27th of December. Yes, New Year is around the corner, right? So yeah, yesterday is a Boxing Day. It was a Boxing Day, and market was no, there's nothing there. Okay, yes. Hi Hubert, Sabrina. Wow, nice to see you here. Merry Christmas. Happy Boxing Day. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. And we are coming back here. Right. Today, 27th of December. Guys. I think again a little bit slow because I think the US is still in Boxing Day. Okay. Still celebrating their Boxing Day, boxing their Christmas present. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, today, whatever it is, okay, in this session we are going to plan out whatever we are going to do. Alright, so yes, guys who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So that later on when I come back into the live trading, we can discuss a trade and we can clean the trade together, right? Thank you so much, right? Hi Wasim, good morning to you, namaste. I hope everything is good for you during the weekend, and I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. Right, so yes, let's move on, okay? Aussie CAD over here. Let's take a look. Aussie CAD. Well, Aussie CAD, as we can see right now, I'm going to read out the trend. Okay, by looking at the trend here. Right here, we can see the trend is actually escalating. Right. So buying is of Aussie CAD is still possible. Right. So previously we were talking about wanted to sell this Aussie. Unfortunately, it did not go into selling into the bear market. So currently, tentatively, it's still looking into buying. All right. Okay, so for Aussie franc over here, as we can see, the bear has actually come into this level and somehow rather it stopped here. But whether it actually become a bull, I would say that not yet. Okay, but still in the bear, but some retracement is going on. So tentatively buying is still possible in the bear, right? But buying is still possible in the bear. What do I mean? Retracement. Okay, so for buyers who want to put in the buy, please be careful, right? Do be careful. Okay, right. So next to go, Aussie yen. Let's take the Aussie yen here. Aussie yen at this moment. Well, Aussie yen at this moment here, we can see that the move has actually ran up, and now actually coming into the level to become a bear. Well, for the last week, selling was very strong until it hit support to take out this area here, and now we are actually going back to we claim this area here. So I would say that if we are going to for the selling, all right, for seller we have to be patient and wait for the retesting of this with a downward market structure. Okay, then we will be able to continue selling. So tentatively, I guess we should, right? Okay, so for Aussie Kiwi, well, Aussie Kiwi, I would say that now we are in the bear. Yes, we are in the bear, correct? Okay, so for this moment here, if we are going for the selling, we can see that the selling is actually coming to a point that it actually testing on this level. So will there be a chance of selling for Aussie Kiwi? There may be a chance for selling because let's see if this resistance able to hold it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this Aussie Kiwi into my watch list. All right. Okay, so for Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, as we can see here, Aussie dollar is actually now coming back into the pool, so reaching out to another higher resistance up there. Okay, so I would say that currently, okay, I will put this down level. Sorry. So we can see there's a resistance level over here. So we are actually, I'm waiting for it to test onto the resistance. Or if the resistance able to hold, then highly likely then we will be looking out for selling. All right. Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie over here. Euro Aussie, where we can see Euro Aussie is actually now moving towards the buy side. Okay, still on the buy side. So currently, for Euro Aussie, I'll be looking to buy. Okay, so bull is very promising. So now it's just that we have to look at where is the resistance level, right? So for Euro Aussie, buyers can take note. Seller has to stay away. All right. Over at this point here, okay, that we can see there may be a chance of selling. But the thing here that we need to pay attention is that the support is actually very new, and we are in the bull. We are in the bull. The support is near. That means it's not very favorable for seller. Okay, so for buyers, okay, you can take note. Okay, when it reaches the support, then it started to rebound back, then you can buy. Okay, right. So for EURCAD, as for EURCAD over here, EURCAD as we can see now is still very bullish. So buying is still possible. But the thing is that now it's looking for a support, okay, where we can see the support is here. It has been tested twice over at this area here, and it's now going to retest this area before it goes up. So for buyers can take a look, right? Okay, so for Euro Yen, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over at this point here, we can see the escalation. Okay, the escalation over here is actually going up towards the north. However, last week for Euro Yen, okay, I think because of the Japanese expansion, then it started to swing down. Right, it started to swing down over at this point here. Then now it's getting into the port. So right now over at this point here, okay, we can see that the Euro Yen is trying to claim the EURUSD. So will there be a chance that it's going to be? I would say that yes, there may be a high chance over there, right? So probably okay for this Japanese yen or euro against the Japanese yen, we have to pay attention later on to see if there's a chance that actually we are going for a selling or a buy. Okay, so as of now, okay, we are going to put this aside. Okay, let's see. We'll come back during the live trading session. Okay, all right. For Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi over here. Well, Euro Kiwi, we are looking into now. Okay, you can see selling down here, started to go for the bull, and it's now testing on the resistance. Let's see if the resistance is now for another round of selling. And I think that will be pretty good. Okay, so at the moment, over at this point here, I will choose to wait for this because right now it has been tested onto the resistance, and let's see if this resistance move it down. Then after that, there will be a new cycle of selling. Now, okay, there may be a short-term selling of this test on level here. Okay, so highly likely there will be still some chance of selling over here. Okay, 50 over pips to go. So I will put this Euro Kiwi under my watch list so that later I can come back and take a look. Okay. All right. So next to go. Yes, next to go Euro dollar. Let's take a look at dollar. Well, Euro dollar over at this point here we can see it's actually bull. Okay, and into the bull towards the moon, and now we are looking into a good time for selling or buying. Well, I would say that tentatively we are in the range. So in this range and met up with the range here, highly likely today I'm seeing a selling down here. Okay, so Aussie dollar I'm going to Euro dollar I'm going to put it as a selling today. Right, so the Euro dollar is in the bull. Okay, but we are looking for a support, so I'm going to put a symbol behind to symbolize that we are having an anti-trend trading on this. Okay, so yeah, pound Aussie. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie over here, we can see that pound Aussie is escalation as well into the bull and testing on the support. So I'm going to skip this. Right, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. Well, pound CAD at this point here. Pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD, as we can see, it's actually moving towards this area. Okay, it's actually moving towards this area as a bull. So for pound CAD, I would say that tentatively, okay, it's going to look out for some support before we can actually go for a buy. So the support area over at this point, okay, looks like it has been broken. Okay, and looks like it's going to go for another round of selling to look out for a support. Okay, so will there be a chance that it's actually coming down to look out for a support like this or like this here? Okay, so there may be a possibility. So today there may be a good chance that the pound CAD is looking for support, and while it's looking for support, they're bound to have a selling here. So we may be able to capture this area here. And after the few days of catching the support, then it will start to back again. Well, that is possible. Well, okay, so that may be possible. So I would suggest that probably for pound CAD we can look for a selling, right? Okay, so yep. Let's see. Okay, pound CAD. Okay, so next to go, pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Well, for pound franc right now, after the bull coming back here and it's now testing into the support here. So the support has been tested in this area here to look out for a support area. Okay, now it's tracing upwards to look out for. So this resistance seems like it's holding the resistance quite well, right? So let's see if this is able to hold it down and we have a chance to sell until this area here. This is pound franc, right? Now first of all, of course, I'm looking to this area. First, we have about 70 pips, 70. So 70 pips here, we can probably there may be a chance of coming back here to take. Okay, so that's for pound franc. Then let's take a look. I'm going to put pound franc into my watch list as well. Okay, so pound yen. Take a look at pound yen. All right. Okay, pound yen over here. Pound yen over here. As we can see for pound yen, the escalation is still, the whole move is still. Alright. Okay, but over here in the bull, like the bull has actually exhausted over in this area here. We can see that it started to swing down to test onto the support. Right? So but will this support continue to hold it? Or it will come back to take this area, alright, and to see if there's a chance to reclaim this area here before it actually go back to the bull or into the selling. It will give us a clearer direction when it comes back here. So I would suggest, alright, so right now for pound yen, okay, just stay away first, right? Just stay away first before we actually take action. Okay, right? So for pound kiwi over here, it started some consolidation over here as we can see. So today I'm going to stay away from this pound kiwi as well, unless it hits onto the resistance and it's not breaking through and it's still holding down into this area here. We have very big area, so we can actually take the opportunity to start to range in the area. Then we will start the selling from here, from the selling, and let it go back to the range here. Okay, so that's for pound kiwi. But for me right now, I'm going to leave this aside first. Okay, for pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, let's for pound dollar over here, we are actually escalating right? So it came down to take support, look out for the support. Will there be any support? Okay, will there be any support over at this area? Then I'm going to take a look. Well, the support has been tested over here once. So right now, it's going to test on. So I think that's pretty good because this resistance is really strong over here, right? So this area here tells me quite strong over here. So for today, pound dollar there may be a good chance of selling. However, it must test onto the resistance first. Okay, you have to test on the resistance first to create to maintain itself in the bear market. All right, to maintain itself in the bear. So likewise, okay. So so I'm going to put this pound yen into my watch list, and let's see if it's form the market structure, and we can continue selling, right? Okay, so for dollar, that's not pound yen, that's pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, yep. Okay, so yep, and dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD over here. Now dollar CAD, right now let's take a look at dollar CAD here. The whole swing over here, and it came down here to for the support, which actually is supported back over into this area. So at the moment, right, looking at this area here, we are very near to the resistance, and we got resistance now. Look out for the support. So at this level here, the support level over here. Okay, so yes, we can see. Okay, we can see that now it's actually hovering around this area here. So for this dollar CAD, are we going to look out for the selling? If this is going to look out for selling, another 15 to 17 pips there, break the support level, and then I will consider a selling. If not, this dollar CAD may hit on the support here and continue high. Okay, so yep, I think I'll just stay away from here first. For dollar franc, alright, for dollar franc, today the dollar, like I said, okay, US is still in this, the Boxing Day, right? So at the moment, I think the dollar may move a bit slow, right? However, okay, by looking into this area here, yeah, still the dollar CAD is actually leading onto the support over at this area, waiting for this test onto the resistance. So the resistance level over at this point here. Right, the resistance level over at this point here. So we can still see that in this whole area here, the dollar franc is still moving towards to test onto the resistance before it starts selling. So we can put this aside and monitor later on. Okay. Well, dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Well, dollar yen over here. Well, dollar yen, as we can see, this area here, it started to sell. Yeah, it went into the bear. So when it went into the bear right now, same thing. It seems like it's going to claim this area here to take this. Okay, so at this moment, I would say that probably we may want to wait for it to test on before we take action. Okay, so by looking into this area here, we can see the area drop from last week, very severe. Okay, so right now it seems like go back to this. Okay, so just hang on first. All right, I'm not going to touch the dollar today. Well, how about the Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin, I think we have a very stable, boring news. Okay, and still seems like this Bitcoin is still staying this range 16,000. Okay, so yeah, just keep this first. All right. Hi Lee, Han Yong. Okay. So he's talking about the gold. I can confirm 101% sell. Okay, yep, alright. So let's see. Okay, so for the gold wise, okay, currently by looking into gold, they are still buy. Okay, I'm still looking for a buy for me. Okay, I'm still looking for a buy. General trend is buy today. But then again, is that are we buying? So tell us the buying is there, right? So today, as we can see, it has set up on the support and has been back to the. However, before I go back to root of resistance, it may come back here to look out for it may sell down here to look out for the support before it actually goes for buy. Okay, so but generally, okay, it's still on the buy side. I would say that tentatively I'm still area for buying first. Okay, I'm still looking for the gold in buying. So after that, there may be some come for some selling. Okay, so we can take a look at the gold later on. All right. Okay, so yeah, that should be all for today. Let's take a look at what do we have here for everybody. Okay, and let's see. Right. Okay, so guys, we are going to look out for selling today with Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Dollar, Euro Kiwi, Euro Dollar, Pound CAD, Pound Franc, and Pound Dollar, right? So these are the currency pairs I'm looking out for the selling. So later on, guys, you may want to take a look at this. Okay, so do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and later on, we will come back here with live trading, right? Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later in 1.5 hours time. All right, building. Okay, yeah. See you again.